In the last video, I showed you how Higgsfield Supercomputer works and how it can automate entire creative workflows. But today, I want to test something more practical. Instead of generating random examples, we're going to build two completely different projects from start to finish using a single workflow. First, I'll create a full UGC product ad using just an avatar and a product image to see how consistent and usable the final output really is. Then after that, we're switching gears and pushing it much further by generating a cinematic rescue sequence with full character consistency, environment planning, and automated scene generation. The goal here is simple: no manual editing, no switching between multiple tools, and no building scenes one by one. Everything happens inside Supercomputer. Let's jump in. I am inside Supercomputer now. The first thing I'm going to do is upload my avatar so the system has a reference for the character it will use consistently across both videos. For the model, I am going with Orchestrator Gemini because it automatically routes tasks through different AI models depending on what the workflow needs. The result is usually faster, more efficient, and still maintains high quality output. When you click on the plus button, you'll see the connectors section. And under that, you can see that I already connected my Google Drive, which means I can simply ask the AI to access my files directly and retrieve any images or assets I want to use without uploading everything manually. We also have the skills section here, and as you can see, I've already installed a lot of useful workflow skills. In my previous video, I showed exactly how to install and use these, and they make the whole process much faster. So now I'll click upload and select the avatar I'll be using for this video. For the UGC ad, I'm going to use a product I created specifically for this demo, the Tech Tutor X1 smartwatch. As you can see, I've uploaded both reference images I'll need. And here is the prompt I'm using. Using my uploaded avatar, create a 15-second UGC product ad for the Tech Tutor X1 smartwatch. Scene 1. Avatar is sitting at a desk in a dimly lit room with blue and purple screen glow on his face. He picks up the smartwatch and looks directly into the camera. Scene 2. Close-up of the glowing watch face showing fitness metrics. Scene 3. Avatar nods slowly and says, "This thing actually works." Maintain the same face, outfit, and lighting across all scenes. Stitch into one continuous 15-second video. 720p, 16:9, UGC style, authentic creator review feel. I'll send that now and let it run. You can see this is not randomly generating clips. Before anything gets rendered, it is planning the entire shot sequence. It already understands that scene 1 needs the desk setup and blue-purple lighting. Scene 2 becomes a product-focused close-up. Scene 3 brings the avatar back with the same look and delivery. All of that gets mapped out before generation even starts. Now is generating each scene independently while maintaining character consistency across all three. Same face, same clothing, same lighting, same energy. Right now, it's transforming the generated visuals into individual video clips, then automatically combining all the scenes into one seamless final advertisement while keeping continuity across the entire sequence. Let me play the final result for you.
Look at this. The Tech Tutor X1 is finally here. Let me show you how it looks. This thing actually works.
That is a complete ad. Ready for Meta, YouTube pre-roll, Shorts, or wherever you want to run it. And all of that came from a single prompt and an avatar image. So whether you're promoting a real product or testing concepts, you can keep refining the prompt until the output matches exactly what you want. And just like you saw, I only gave Supercomputer one instruction and it handled the planning, generation, animation, and final assembly automatically. Now let me show you the rescue sequence. I'll go to the side panel and select New Task. Then I'll upload the avatar image I want to use. The prompt for this one is quite long, so I'll leave it in the description if you want to try it yourself. I'll send it and give Supercomputer some time to process. Same workflow. First, it plans the sequence, assigns character references across all scenes, generates visuals with continuity locked in, and then assembles everything into one final film. And now it's generating the reference sheet for my avatar. The result is ready now, but is waiting for approval before moving forward. That's because I included instructions in the prompt telling it to pause for approval at each stage so I can review and adjust details before continuing. So I'll approve and move on. Now watch what happens next. It generates a reference sheet for the woman being rescued. Same process. Front view, side view, back view, everything locked in. Then it moves to the antagonists. Street-level criminals, hooded clothing, darker styling. Again, front, side, and back references. Then it builds the environment sheets. 3 locations. The city street at night, the underground parking garage, and the rain-soaked bridge. Everything gets established as one consistent world before a single scene is animated. Now, I approved all the reference sheets and told it to move into scene generation. Look at this. All 6 scene images are generated and presented for review before video generation begins. Same face across scenes. Same outfit. Same rescued character. Same environments. And if you look closely at scene 1, it even picked up the Tech Tutor branding on the sweater. I approved all scenes and now it moves into animation using Kling 3. Each scene gets animated individually and then automatically stitched into one continuous sequence. No manual assembly. No timeline editing. Just one completed short film generated directly inside the session. Now, let me play the final result. Six scenes, 4 locations, 3 characters, all consistent, all from one prompt planned, generated, and delivered inside a single Higgsfield Supercomputer session. A few months ago, this would have taken a creative team, a video editor, multiple tools, and days of work. Today, you did it with a prompt and a cup of tea. And this is just one use case. The same workflow works for product ads, brand campaigns, UGC content, and more. The system handles the planning and consistency. You just direct it. The link to Higgsfield Supercomputer is in the description. If you missed my first video on the full setup connecting your tools and running everything from your phone via Telegram, start there first. If this helped, hit like, comment with what story you're creating first, and subscribe. More AI workflow videos coming soon. See you in the next one.